Hello, New School Beyblades here, and today, if you can't tell, I got the new Beyblade battle set. So yeah, actually not one, but two. The reason about two is the driver. I'm using the two drivers for, oh god, these guys, so yeah. So I'll be giving them the drivers, and the full combos for these guys would be 00 bump till we actually get the full combo. Or it could be the stock combo, but I'm going to give it the actual driver. So yeah, let me get my box cutter and open them at the exact same time. There we go, that one's open. But yeah. Let me show you the back first. Here's the back. Let me go over here. But yeah. Then Tempest, dragon. 1A, a dragon. Tempest, 1 attack. Charge metal. And then the next one is Curse Satan, 1D, and Satan, Curse, 1 defense, arrow, and then hold dash. Yes, another hold, and then what I kind of can't wait for is 2 parts. It is Diablos, Naked, Goku. That's the one I've been waiting for, Goku, the Goku weight. 11, and then a wave. I'm going to use both waves for these guys. Actually, let me grab him right now. I won't be cutting this out also. Okay, there we go. My 2 favorites beside, I'm going to see how good this guy is. So yeah, let's see. First one, the messed up box. It would be, let's see. God. Oh! Holy shit. Holy shit. First pull. First pull. Yes, I got it. I got it. Yes, finally. Let's see. And it will be, oh, normal. I got both! Yes! 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 I got the... Oh god, yes. And it's playing the first pull. Let's wait on that. Oh god, I'm shaking right now. Boxes. Get out of the way. Oh shit, no, not the pink. I literally am getting my room painted right now, so yeah. Let's go. We'll be seeing this today, actually. I literally just got off of work like an hour ago, actually. Literally just in an hour. Let's go. These guys, wait. There's the stickers. Oh, definitely the stickers are over here. Yes, they are. Yay. Stickers. Yay. Oh, God, no. Okay, let me get the stickers. I'll be putting the, none of these, just the dragon. So, yeah. Can't believe I pulled both. I thought I wasn't going to pull any of those. Oh, parts going flying. And the last one. Oh god, no, I pulled, no. Okay. Oh god. Go. Let's get these guys out now. Oh jeez, I'm kind of excited right now because I pulled it. And I'll be weighing these guys too, so. Whoa. There we go. Double. Oh god, the chassis. Can't believe I actually pulled the chassis. These chassis right here. Oh yes. I was talking to Zanky about this too, saying I couldn't pull it. I actually do comment on his Instagram stuff, so that's why you probably saw on one of my bay hunting videos that he commented on it. So I did tell him. Oh god. Let's put the rare bays over here. I mean the rare pools. So let's put these two. Let's do the least to the best. And then the mega best, or the best of the best. Another curse. That's okay. I won't be putting stickers on these two, so I'm gonna be putting it on the main day. I actually don't have a Takara Tomy version of this. I'm trying to get all the Takara Tomy parts so I can actually make him the right parts. And now I have hold dash, so 2 hold dashes. And I can't wait for this. I actually been wanting to hold dash because it's a decent driver. Hold is actually a pretty good one. Oh god, there we go. Let's get these guys. Actually, instead of putting these on this. Ooh, a new driver. Hold dash. Wave. That's gonna be pretty cool. Let's get these guys. So yeah, there was hold on one for the left. Let's get that parts, race day parts. Oh. Another 11, a light disc. Well, it's a decent disc, but I have way too many. Oh god. And there we go. Another naked. Cool black one. This one's actually pretty cool. Right here. And, oh god damn. Goku. Or Son Goku. So yeah. I thought it was going to be a bit heavier, but yeah. Oh god. Okay. Let's get the shit on the bank. Actually, no, there's another one. I'm glad I bought 2 of these. And my favorite one out of these 2 is him. I knew you look at the names. But yeah, there's the official parts. And again, same old for these. Oh god, another Sen. Not Sen, Goku weight. So 2 Goku weights. And and 11. So let's put this over here. Don't need it. Let's get into the main bay. Oh wow. Is it kind of like? Yeah, I'm not sure. Oh, that's a chunky bay. That's a pretty cool blue too. And metal charge. Oh, it has metal hold charge. It's a lot lighter than charge, I think. Let me grab a charge. Charge. Right here. Okay, let's get the. Let's see. Actually, let me put this over here. Get my scale. Okay. Normal charge is 15 grams, and the metal charge is 16 grams. A gram difference. Not that big. Okay. Let me clear that up and weigh the rest. 3 grams and the chassis. No, not the chassis. 13 grams. And the chassis is 46 grams. In total, pretty weak teeth, but total would be 78, 79 grams. Wow, almost 80 grams. Jeez, a beast of a bay. Now let's get on to the actual shocking thing of this. I'm going to weigh the chassis too. And more of the parts. That's good. Okay. I might as well be smart to use my knife. Okay. Always cut away, kids. Always cut away from yourself. Another hold. Let's get this. Oh, don't worry, I won't be using this chassis. Oh my goodness. The chassis. Oh god. Yes, finally pulling a rare chassis. Another curse. But yeah. Let me throw the parts over here and put in the rare stuff over here. There we go. I'll be actually keeping this chassis like this. Oh god, no! Bloody hell, no! There's another. And this gorgeous blue chassis. Finally pulling out chassis. Oh, that looks cool compared to my normal. Oh god. Another charge. The rare chassis and the normal. So yeah. Let me actually weigh the chassis. See if there's a difference. Okay. I'm going to do the exact same for this guy right here. Okay. Now let me do with 1D. Okay, and this will be normal chassis, 11 grams. 11 grams. 11 grams, okay. Not the same, but yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let's see what the difference is with the normal and the other. Okay, normal. Oh, 46 grams. 46 grams, so it's normal. So yeah, let me put the stickers on and be back with you guys. Okay guys, I'm back. Sorry about that. Took a while to get all the stickers, and also I got my second one. So right now I have 2 of these. This one literally just came in today. I ordered this yesterday and it came in today. So yeah, 2 of these guys. And finally, Dragon. Or I should call him the Rainbow Warrior. So yeah, he's a fully awakened form. So yeah, hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And stay tuned for the combo and stock combo tournament. Goodbye.